Every sunset is an opportunity to reset. Sunsets are proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully. Never waste any amount of time doing anything important when there is a sunset outside that you should be sitting under. Sunsets are the painter's way of saying good job for the day. Allow the beauty of sunset to inspire you. Sunsets are like God's paintings in the sky. Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. A sunset is the sun's fiery kiss to the night. With every sunset, a new hope is born and an old expectation dies. Sunsets are reminders that endings can often be beautiful too. Even the most beautiful days eventually have their sunsets. Sunsets are proof that there is beauty in letting things go. The most beautiful sunsets are the ones we share. Don't forget, beautiful sunsets need cloudy skies. Sunsets are the therapy sessions you can attend every day for free. Cherish every sunset and hold on to those moments. Sunsets are the smiles of the night. Every sunset is an invitation to reset. Sunsets may be a fire in the sky, but they bring warmth to the heart. A sunset is the sun's way of saying good night to the world. The sun's daily bow to the night. Sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful too. Don't forget, the sun loved the moon so much, he died every night to let her breathe. A sunset is the grand finale of the day's masterpiece. Sunsets are God's way of reminding us of the beauty in endings. The sunsets are the most peaceful time of the day. With every sunset, a new journey begins. Sunsets are the best therapy. Let the beauty of the sunset sink in. Sunsets are the sun's way of telling us to chill out. Never waste a sunset on people who will be gone by sunrise. The golden hour is my happy hour. Sunsets are like a sweet kiss from the heavens. The sun setting is a reminder that the world keeps turning. Sunsets are proof that there's beauty in endings. A sunset is the sun's fiery kiss goodnight. Let the beauty of the sunset fill your heart with warmth. Sunsets are a reminder that life is beautiful. Sunsets are the promise of a new dawn. Every sunset is a journey to remember the beauty of life. Witnessing a sunset can change your mood instantly. Sunsets are the most beautiful when you share them with someone you love. Every sunset is a masterpiece painted by the hand of God. Sunsets are proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully. Sunsets are the punctuation marks of the day. A sunset is the sun's way of saying goodbye for now. Never go too long without watching a sunset. Sunsets are the prologue to a new chapter. The sun may set, but it will rise again. Every sunset is a reminder that life is full of beauty.